What?
Nope. You whisper bark. You go woof. Yeah, like that. Woof. Good job. That's a better one.
Say hello.
Can you whisper? Don't tooth this time. Whisper.
That's opposite, no. Whisper.
What is that?
Quiet speak. Good girl.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you.
You look like a potato.
Whisper. Whisper. Good.
Are you complaining to me about something?
Quiet speak. Quiet speak. Good girl. Quiet speak.
Yeah, whisper.
You whisper bark. You go woof. Yeah, like that. Woof. Good job.